Imagine waking up in a coral reef, often called the rainforest of the sea. As sunlight filters down, tiny algae living inside coral tissue get to work, providing energy and color to the corals. Fish dart between branches, eating algae that could otherwise smother the reef. But life here is fragile. When ocean temperatures rise even by a degree or two, the algae becomes stressed and leave, causing the coral to bleach and lose its color. Without their algae partners, corals struggle to survive. Pollution from farms and cities clouds the water, blocking sunlight and encouraging harmful algae to grow. Overfishing removes key fish, letting algae overrun the reef. Physical damage from anchors, storms, and careless tourism adds to the strain. All of these pressures threaten the incredible biodiversity and protection that coral reefs provide every day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think.